guys, today we're going to take a look at making a works cited with a one author book citation. So you should start with a clean doc that is a page on itself, by itself. That can be the end of another document, that's fine, but it should be a page that stands alone. You should center it, use a 12-point Arial font or Times New Roman, capitalize works and cited. It should be double spaced. And justified on the left, as you know. So the book that I have put on Google Classroom for you includes the title page and the publisher's page and things of that nature. So here it is. So the title of the book is Life in the Trenches by Stephen Curry. This is the page you were expected to paraphrase, and this is some of the publishing information. We see that the copyright date is 2002. It's done by Lucent Books. We no longer need the city of publication. We have the author, and let's take a look at Purdue OWL so that we will take a look there. We know that we are using the MLA guide, so we usually start there. And works cited is what we're doing for books. Sorry about the noise of the band, as nice as they sound. And so generally what I suggest doing is to take this information and copy it and paste it in so that we can work with it there. So we know that the last name, comma, first name, we've got Curry, comma, Stephen, period. Title of the book, just to remind ourselves, was Life in the Trenches. Life in the Trenches by Stephen Curry. So books are italicized. Trenches. We said the publisher was Lucent, L-U-C-E-N-T, and the publication date we said was 2002. Of course, you're welcome to go back and take a look at those things. I'm just wicked smart and remembered it all. We have a 12-point font. We have Arial, and that is looking super sharp. While we're at it, let's take a look at the other one that you were expected to do tonight, which was electronic sources. And we're going to scroll down. Typically, I want you to kind of live in the page where it says a page on a website here. If you don't know the author's name, you start with the title of the article. If you do know the author's name, then you will start with the author's last name and comma first name. So for this one, we're going to use, we will know the author's name. Okay, so we'll put it back in our works cited. We will paste it here, and we will go find that, and that was in your citation practice sheet. It was all the way at the bottom. Okay, so again, we always, go back to our Purdue information, and we have, I'm going to do it this way since I don't have all of this memorized. We want the author's last name, comma, first name. Michael Duffy is the editor and responsible for all of this information that's in this site. So Duffy, comma, Michael is what we will work with. Duffy, comma, Michael. Looks like we need a period, and then we need to know what the title of the article is. Weapons of War, introduction. I'm going with Weapons of War is sufficient. And it looks like we need a period, end quotation mark. eHow is their website, and we've got firstworldwar.com. So we're going to put firstworldwar.com. Actually, I don't think you need the .com, and you could probably put this That's fine. That's sufficient. And then you will put that in italics. We need a comma after that. And remember, I don't have this memorized. I constantly look it up, and that's fine because you always have OWL. You're going to copy this URL. You're going to come back here, space, paste it. We need to get rid of the italics because only the other component was in italics. Okay, and then we have an access date. Actually, remember that if we know the publication date, we put that before the URL now. And we do have a publication date. Let's take a look. It is the 22nd of August, 2009. I must have been busy that day. 22 August 2009. And do we need a period? We need a period. I believe I will check that though. I'm not sure. Let's go back to pretty well. Nope. We need a comma because it's all publication information. See, you don't have to have it memorized. You just need to know where the tools are to get the information. Comma, and then we will have a period at the end. You may put the access date. You don't need to put the access date if you already have the publication date. Okay, at this time, let's clean this up a little bit. We'll get rid of our example, and we will take this and make it a 12-point font, make it Arial, get rid of our extra goofy lines in there, and then actually we've got some more cleaning up here. There should be no italics. Right? Awesome. And remember that goofy little thing, if you go there, and this has to be a hanging indent. So we're going to hit return and then tab and it'll work, whereas if you just hit tab, it won't work. I'm going to take a look at it. Yes, we've got the author's name and the title of the article. We've got the website address. Excellent. And the URL. I am feeling very good about that. I'm also checking that C, curry, is our signal word. Duffy is our other signal word. And they are in alphabetical order. It is double spaced. And let's just double check and make sure that we have a 12-point font, that it is Arial, and that it is all the same color. Okay? Then the other expectation that you have for tonight, which I will stop here because this is kind of long, which is that you should make in-text citations for each of those. So curry would be an in-text citation with the page number, and then Duffy would be the other in-text citation. Boy, I just gave you all those answers, didn't I? Okay, I'm done. Thank you.